These POV roller coaster videos are exploding across social media right now. This Instagram page gained over 43.2 thousand followers just by uploading this exact style of content, and their top videos are pulling 17.8 million, 17 million, and 13.6 million views. So I decided to test it myself, and what I created with AI in under 5 minutes honestly shocked me.
Oh my God, this is too fast! We're going inside the ice! Woo!
So subscribe to the channel right now, because in this video, I'll show you the exact free method to create these viral POV roller coaster videos step by step using AI. So first, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt right here and hit enter. You'll find this prompt in the description box below. As soon as you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral POV roller coaster video ideas, along with image prompts and video prompts automatically. Now, from these ideas, you can choose whichever topic looks the most viral to you and create your video on that. And if you want even more ideas, simply type more and hit enter again. ChatGPT will generate more viral concepts instantly. So here, I really liked this topic, so I'm going to create my video on this one. Now, since ChatGPT already gave us both the image prompt and video prompt, the next step is generating the image. And for that, we'll use Flow. So first, go to Google and search for Google Flow. Then open this website and click on New Project. Now, a dashboard like this will open in front of you. Here, click on this option and select Image. Set the ratio to 9:16 and keep the result setting on 1x. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, paste it here, and hit enter. It'll take a little time, and your AI image will be generated. So now you can see our image is ready. Next, we'll animate this image. For that, first change this setting and select Frames to Video. Then click on Start. Now click on Add to Prompt so the image gets added into the prompt section automatically. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here, and hit enter. Within a few seconds, Flow will fully animate your image into a viral POV roller coaster video. And now you can see, our video is completely ready to upload.
Oh my God! I can't see!
You can directly upload videos like this on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. And honestly, these videos perform insanely well because they instantly trigger curiosity, fear, excitement, and retention at the same time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, ask me in the comments section. I reply to everyone. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.